Okay, this is a video on how to fix your PlayStation 2. Mine, discrete error every time. So what you want to do is, first of all, you have to have Rock Band or Guitar Hero World Tour for this. 3 times. Any more and it'll just break. It won't turn on. Okay, but before you do anything like that, you want to unplug everything from it. The controllers, the memory card, all the cords. You can leave it plugged into the wall, but not the PS2. Okay, it should work now, but I'm going to show you just to make sure. I'm going to put in jack 2 right here. See if this works. Dang it! If that doesn't work, which it didn't work for mine, you take out your new one that you just bought for $150 and you plug it in. If you don't have $150, you're on your own. And if you can't afford it,
crazy high, like you did in the other one. You're like,
and if you can't afford the new one,
Michael made us stumble.
If that doesn't work, if you can't afford the new one for $150, I forgot my